Why can't I catch my breath during COPD wheezing? Imagine trying to breathe through a straw that's been pinched shut. That's what it feels like during a COPD wheezing episode. When you have chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, your airways become narrow and blocked, making breathing harder. This narrowing happens because of a few main reasons. First, your lungs produce extra mucus that clogs the air passages. Second, inflammation causes swelling inside the airways, making them even tighter. Third, the muscles around your airways tighten up, further restricting airflow. When you breathe out, air struggles to escape through these tight passages, which causes the wheezing sound. That sound is your body's way of telling you that air is having trouble moving smoothly. Because the airways are so narrowed, less air gets in and out of your lungs. This leads to that feeling of not being able to catch your breath or shortness of breath. The inflammation and mucus also make your airways more sensitive and reactive. During flare-ups or infections, these symptoms can worsen, making it even harder to breathe. Damage to the tiny air sacs in your lungs, called alveoli, also plays a role. When these sacs are damaged, oxygen can't transfer into your blood as well, adding to the feeling of breathlessness. Wheezing is often a sign that your airways are significantly narrowed. It can also mean you are experiencing an exacerbation, which is a sudden worsening of symptoms. This situation needs quick attention to prevent it from becoming more serious. To manage this, doctors often prescribe inhalers that open your airways, called bronchodilators, and medicines that reduce inflammation, known as corticosteroids. Clearing excess mucus and avoiding triggers like smoke or infections can also help. In severe cases, oxygen therapy might be needed to keep your oxygen levels steady. Understanding that wheezing shows airflow obstruction and inflammation helps explain why you feel breathless during COPD episodes. Proper treatment can make a big difference in easing your symptoms and helping you breathe easier.